If nothing is working in your life right now and you are feeling really frustrated with your life that what to do not worry, do not panic, because this video I'll tell you the exact thing that you need to know right now and you'll feel relieved whenever you do that thing. Okay, so continue with me. So once upon a time I was like nothing was working in my life. I was unhealthy, eating unhealthy foods, I was not good at my work, I was not getting a job, I didn't have any skills. I was not happy with relationships. So overall life was a mess. Okay. And if those things are similar to yours, then do not worry. Okay. I understand your point that you are going through the same situations right now. But the thing is, I changed. My entire life changed. I rebuilt my entire life. You know how I did this? Because I read one book one day. That book was One Thing by Gary Keller. It said, success is built sequentially, one thing at a time. So, if you are juggling between multiple things to trying to fix everything and your life is still a mess, I would suggest you to just fix one thing, because I did the same way. For me, it was my morning routine. I went to jogging every day for a month. I woke up at 5:30, went to jogging at 6 o'clock and jogged in the park for 1 hour daily. And really, I'm frankly saying, after that, one thing after another changed my life. I really upskilled myself. I constantly focused on my study, and then I got a job. Then I started my freelancing. Right now, starting some business. So everything changed. I care of my health, everything, like feeling focused, relaxed, and enjoying. But the thing that changed my life is that one thing. I went for morning jogging, and that one thing impacted my other things in my life. So if you are also do not finding any kind of motivation to anything, and if you are trying to do something, it all messes up and your life is a mess right now, do not worry. Just try to fix one thing, no matter how small it is, even if it is like just cleaning your room or going for a walk every day for 1 month in the morning, or going for a jog or doing exercise for 30 days. I would suggest you to go for a run for 30 days or go to the gym for 30 days consistently without break. You can take the Sunday break. So if you do it consistently for the next 30 days and fix that one thing, I guarantee that other parts of your life would really start to change again. Because you know what? Just one thing, the impact of positiveness will impact other things, other areas of your life. You must have heard that story, like one bad apple just destroys other good apples. So likewise, one good apple can make other areas good also. Okay. So if you are fixing one thing in your life, then other areas of your life will be great. Okay. So try this thing and let me know in the comment section below if you found this useful and you implemented that in your life. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and keep on smiling.